Florida lawmakers and local law enforcement are looking to make our roads safer.
One way to do that is by creating a law focused on super speeders.
House Bill 351 would amend the language for reckless driving, making going over the speed limit by at least 50 miles per hour a criminal offense.
This bill does is it makes speed alone probable cause to arrest or cite someone for reckless driving.
Where we heading to, bro?
We out to Miami, finna ride out with PCNY, hypercars. We got the 80s hypercar of all time leading the pack. My boy Vico. We finna go do our thing, man.
Daniel Bernard at the museum right now preparing for later activities. We're gonna have some big at the museum for all the guys involved in the rally. But for now, we're just gonna go start the rally off, Bayside, Miami. Here we come.
People looking like, oh, nice car and shit.
I saw hella people taking photos at the end there.
Yeah, right?
Bayfront.
Nah, cause I mean, look, it's fucking shiny, it's red, it's bright, it's loud, it's nice. So it draws a lot of attention, you know.
Oh yeah.
We love it. Everybody loves it. So it's honestly, it's dope to be out here in the mix with new cars that are, you know, on another level. But it's all fun, man. Yeah.
Why don't you put the G-Wagon on the side right there? All right. Yeah, back it up, whatever. And then put that car, the first car right there, angled it out. Like,
okay, like this.
Like exactly, like, angle like that.
Damn.
been trying to do something together for a while. We've been trying to do something. I said, wait a minute, what can we do? I don't want to keep missing things, and you know, we do the old school rideouts in New York, and I don't think that's the vibe down here anyway. And I said, wait a minute, I got the perfect thing. We're gonna come down here with the rally guys, and I'm gonna take my rally guys to the Mecca and blow they're bugging right now, by the way. They're bugging. They're going crazy. They all love this. They all grew up in the same time I did. He did. They love this. Even the young ones live and breathe this stuff. We're gonna rally 50 cars, which is insane, at night to Patina.
Yes, sir.
Insane.
Big money pulling up tonight. Big money.
Tight against.
What's going on, yo?
Front of this car? The front is the best part of it all. KS? Yeah. Can't beat it.
I can't believe they brought the Bugatti out here.
They got the Bugatti parked up. You can cut me and I bleed Mercedes. Wow.
This is a dream. You just don't see that anymore.
You don't see it. Johnny Dang. Johnny Dang. Hey. Johnny Dang.
They pulled out some heavy hitters, some crazy cars. The lead car leading all these crazy, new, expensive cars that you see on videos and all kinds of stuff. And we're all going to the Patina Museum, so it's fire, man. It's a dope night, a lot of love. Everybody's loving it out here.
The crazy part is about this is, you know, a lot of these guys, they are car guys, die-hard car guys. They know everything about car culture, and they've been to many car rallies and car shows. But a lot of them, like a big number of them, have never seen a Koenig Special like this. People have never seen these cars before, and they're about to see a whole lot more cars when we get to the museum. Yes, we're going there tonight. All these cars are going there right now.
Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow. And we thought we could go to a museum.
If you want, you could sneak in tonight and just follow us there. We're going, literally.
Okay.
They're doing a private event, but you can sneak in because you're from Germany and you know vintage manufacturer. You're going.
You can sneak in because you're from Germany.
We're gonna be there at 9 p.m.
People love it. They go crazy. They show love. We gotta put Patina on the map, man. We gotta pull up to Miami on the weekends.
Back in right quick. One of the cars on the other side. On that side. The other one.
Oh my God, like somebody gotta give me a rally. Whoa. I'm broke. You see that?
gas and back to Miami.
Yeah? Guys, it's crazy right now at the Patina Collective. We got, I don't know, 50 supercars out here. Much love to the boy Wayne, PCNY, and all the police officers helping us out tonight.
Yo, tonight was incredible, man. You guys seen us in downtown Miami, Biscayne, pulling out Bayside with all the crazy supercars in the red Demon, Koenig Special, crazy cars going left and right. It was an incredible time. Shout out to everybody that came out. We're at the museum right now. We're gonna see all the cars pull out. Everyone had an incredible time going through the AMG exhibit. So thank you, Patina boys. We back, baby.
We know the supercar guys at the time of their life, seeing something new, something that appreciates like crazy in value. So we're putting them on to something new here today, guys.
It's been crazy out here.
Can't wait to hear what everybody says.
It's been literally the most legendary day at Patina, in my opinion.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I'm honored.
We survived the Supercar Rally. Shout out PCNY. That was fucking epic. Only as Patina Collective, we shut down State Road 7. Everybody cruised out. It was epic. Tomas filming, Julio, Vico, Dan, Tuner Benz, all of us. Let's go. Yeah. 2025.